the baby. Got his eyes open.
Yeah, he does.
He's pretty good. Trying to fight for the food.
You videoing?
Tested him. Apparently, our blood types don't get along.
Why?
Baby's blood? Why? Apparently, the combination of our blood types give him jaundice.
Oh, really? So he's gonna have jaundice?